Good morning, everyone. I am Birendra Roy. We are discussing today a new chapter for the housekeeping, which is manual cleaning and the mechanical equipments that we use in our housekeeping laundry for our different cleaning procedure. But before starting of this procedure, I need to tell you guys the first note I have given you for the first semester, which is your manual cleaning equipment and cleaning agent. You will find few of the names and small details over there, which I have mentioned in your class. So that notes also could bit related to this particular chapter, which is your laundry equipments, and we will be discussing over here only the mechanical equipments. So first, the name of the equipment is known as the washer extractor. Washer extractor, what is that? It's a huge machine, basically made with a stainless steel. Generally it is having a capacity of 7 to 350 kgs. Yeah, it is 7 kilo to 350 kgs. Now how does it work? It is a kind of a, it is having perforated chamber within that, and you need to pour up your solution and the water or the detergent, whatever the solution, you need to use it for your cleaning procedure. So once you are done with for that particular machine, you need to rotate by maintaining, it's a rotation you need to maintain with a centrifugal force. And this centrifugal force, what it does actually, it will rotate that solution continuously for at least 5 minutes, and it will generate the temperature within itself for approx 30 to 95 degrees centigrade. See, this temperature zone between the variation of 30 degree to 95 degrees centigrade is depends on your number of clothes or the linen that you are using for your cleaning procedure. Now how does this washer extractor actually works? You need to put your soiled linen material or the dirty linen material, but make sure you should divide your colored material or the colored linen and the the white color linens separately. Once the first rotation is over, you need to rotate it on the opposite direction, so that the the twisting of the linen material is being done or covered up in a nice way. Afterwards, the washing extraction of the excess water, you need to take it out, because this excess water may damage your clothing, because the dirt or the content of soilage which is coming out with the consistency of your used water, again it will going to soak in your linen material. So that is the entire procedure of your washer extractor or the wash extractor. It is available in your hotel, as I told you before, is 7 to 350 kilos, right? So the second, we have another machine which we use in our hotel, especially the commercial places. The name is hydro extractor or the spin dryer. What is spin dryer? It is near about same like your washer extractor machine. How does it actually work? It is having some kind of spin rotating chambers where you need to put your linen material, and it generally having two identical separate chambers, stainless steel chamber. In nowadays it is available in different shapes. Okay, so once you are having this washer extractor, hotel they doesn't purchase another one hydro extractor or this spin dryer, because of already you are having this washer extractor machine with you, the capacity as I told you 7 to 350 kilo. So if you no need to purchase once again one more equipment, because the cost will be huge. The next machineries which will be having after hydro extractor or the spin dryer is the tumble dryer. What is the tumble dryer? By the name itself, it is having a kind of a cylindrical shape. What we does actually, it's made with again stainless steel, and most of the hotels are having the capacity for huge gallons of water, and it is one of the mechanized, or you can say the semi-automated, as well as the microprocessors being induced within this kind of machines. You need to set your temperatures, for example 40 degrees centigrade to your 60 degree, or the identical temperature can be your 85 degrees centigrade, depending on the situation, that what category of fabricated linen material you are using. For example, let me tell you, it can be your draperies, it can be your cushion cover, it can be the tablecloth, it can be your serviette or the service linen that you are talking about, it can be any kind of curtain, or can be any kind of covers like the bed sheet, even the pillowcases like this. But depending on the the soilage that you are going to clean, you need to use this kind of dryer. And this tumble dryer, the maximum use is been there only in the laundry, because the certain amount of soilage or the certain amount of moisture that you want to spray after drying your linen material, it actually going to keep it for after the cleaning procedure is over, because the certain content of your moisture which is present in your linen material is actually best for your ironing procedure. So this certain machine which is known as this tumble dryer, it will going to help you to dry your laundry material within the machine itself, and it will contain approximately 40% of your linen soilage or the moisture should be present within your linen material, and it will be best for ironing purpose. For the next machine that I am going to tell you, the name of the another machine is the calendaring machine. You preferably heard of this particular machine when you are there in your industrial training. This calendaring machine is basically look like a huge one, for example 7 feet to 10 feet, it may depends, but for establishment to establishment the size of this particular machine may differ. Like lekin there is a particular challenge for this particular machine is having, we can only iron or we can roll out only certain number of or certain category of linen material within it. The particular linens are like the flat linen, for example your bed sheet, your pillow cover, not the towel. We do not iron any kind of नैप्ड आइटम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जिसमें आपका जो भी कुछ टॉवेल रहता है आप उसमें देखोगे कि उसका जो स्टिचिंग रहता है ना, सो उसका जो स्टिचिंग रहता है इट विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ पफी वन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू आर पुटिंग योर ब्लैंकेट or the duvet for the ironing purposes within this roller press or this calendaring machine, the certain temperature is maintained within that calendaring machine. It's the machine mechanism actually works same like the Xerox machine mechanism. Once you are just putting the soiled linen or the moisture linen or the wet linen from one side, the suction power from that particular machine itself, it will drag the material from your hand, and as because of there is a certain padding from both the side, the linen will goes inside of that particular calendaring machine and it will be ironed with giving certain amount of temperature. And as because of this temperature is there, you need to operate this machine with very efficient hand, and certain level of training are generally given to the employees. People are not given the responsibility to operate this calendaring machine initially, because you need to set the temperature, you need to understand that how this procedure should be done, and once this been covered up with a certain level of training, you will be insisted to operate this kind of machine again under the supervision of your supervisor, right? So which are basically the linen material that we use for ironing purpose in this calendaring machine are especially your tablecloths, bed sheet, pillow cover, and flat materials like your you can say tablecloth, then your serviette or the service cloth or the napkins. You can use this machine for ironing procedure, right? Next is your tunnel washer or the batch washer. See guys, let me tell you guys, most of the mechanism are generally available in the 5-star hotel, but when you are going for certain below category of hotel, most of the cases people they do not use this kind of machine, because these contain huge amount of budget and the maintenance department are there in a hotel, and they take care of this entire procedure for their rectification if there is any kind of discrepancy, if there is any kind of problems are there for these particular parts of these machineries. So this availability of this particular mechanism of the machineries you may not be found in all the hotels, but I can guarantee you that when you will be joining for the 5-star hotel, once you are completing of your course or you are going for your industrial training, you definitely have a look for this kind of machines. Okay, so next machine that I will be talking about, it will be your tunnel washer. The one of the machine I told you is a tumble dryer. Here is one of the machine which is known as tunnel washer. See, tunnel washer, you can say just think a particular washing machine which is having the capacity of, for example, 5,000 kilogram to 2,000 kg of your linen material that you can store at a time. For example, it will be like your huge single bedroom capacity, and you can pour up the all necessary amount of your linen which you want to be cleaned. But make sure that when you are putting all your linens together, you should check for the spotting, you should check for your what kind of soilage is there, or कैसे आपका कपड़ा गंदा हुआ है आप उसको चेक कर लो. Once you are checking for that particular category, then you should tunnel up all those linen material at a time, and you can put it in the water as well as within the detergent solution which is growing boiling within that particular machine. And this mechanism is particular, like as I told you before, like a huge washing machine. It will wash the entire linen with a centrifugal force. The material will be rotating inside the machine for a desired timing that will be operating with a certain timing. So guys, these are the basic notes you will be having in this particular chapter. Have a minute identification for the certain level of degree or the temperature what we are maintaining for individual this mechanism, and what are the necessary process that we operates. Everything you will find in this note. Rather, if you get any kind of possible issues or any kind of problem for this particular note or you do not understand, please let me know. I'll be